I would avoid the gated categories such as, health and personal care and grocery and things like that, because that will delay the process in getting your product live. I would more so go into the more kitchen and dining or pet supplies, bring out, like I like to say, a test product. Like test the market through an easy barrier to entry before moving into the higher sales velocity industries.
Everybody sells everything. So I think a good product category to get into would be one where you have that familiarity with the product set. So for example, my business partner and I started doing RA, and he started doing really big things, baby strollers, cribs, and I was like, that's huge. I started in, I call it stuff women like. It was things that I had a comfort zone in, I understood, I used personally. Those are the categories that I feel comfortable in because I really know the products and I really know where the ins and outs of them are.
Product categories, I would definitely say industrial and scientific, office products. So products that, aren't the first thing that you think about when you're like in your kitchen or in your home, because those are the ones that are going to be less competitive, less saturated.
Hey, did you know that you can spy on your competitors and see all of their best keywords that pull in traffic and drive sales? Did you also know that you can see the keywords your competitors are bidding for on sponsored product ads? Wouldn't you love to find out which of their keywords have Amazon's Choice badge? Well, you can do all of this with Helium 10's Cerebro tool. It's the most powerful reverse ASIN lookup tool on the planet. No other tool in the market can do everything that Cerebro does. So head over to helium10.com/Cerebro and try Cerebro for free. That's helium10.com/CEREBRO.